Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. Myself Amit Kumar Mani, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the free demo class in the Pharmacovigilance. Our new batch will launch and the first session of this course is completely free. But this session you can attend offline also, means this batch is offline and online. For offline location is the Pune and the area is Shivajinagar. So the thing is, if you want to attend the demo class, first of all I will told you the benefits of this, how to attend and when it will be conducted. Let's get started. So before starting, I would like to tell you the pharmacovigilance is one of the best career opportunity. It is a good opportunity in healthcare IT where you are working as drug safety associate, drug safety trainee, patient safety associate. So there are different companies which are providing opportunities such as contract research organization, healthcare IT companies, some sponsored organizations. If you are a pharmacy student or life science students or medical science students, you will get an opportunity here, and the work is completely healthcare IT. So there is a good scope and career also in the future. So if you wish to build your career in pharmacovigilance, this course is definitely ideally built for you because this is completely only related to the pharmacovigilance, the course. So still, if you want to enroll for our 3-month certification course in pharmacovigilance, you can call us. Okay, the admission is still open. But I will told you about the free demo class. So the free demo class will be conducted on 7 December 2025. The timing will be 10 to 12 in the morning. And like how to participate, the very simple, fill the Google form given in the description, or you can scan the QR code that the display on the screen. You can scan and you will be auto added in the WhatsApp group of the demo class. So this will be conducted on 7 December. The timing will be 10 to 12 in the morning. And what we will discuss in this class, so first is about the pharmacovigilance, the basics of pharmacovigilance, the career growth in the pharmacovigilance, the opportunities and the challenges in the pharmacovigilance, and the course content as well, what we delivered in the class. In this certification course, we are providing the first time complete hands-on training on the software which is required at the industry level. Then we also provide a AI certification additional to the pharmacovigilance, and also the classes are different for the AI as well in the course. So this will be as per the latest industry requirement, so you can take the benefits out of it. So hope you understood how to attend the free demo class, and the benefits of this is you can get completely expert learning. You can ask your queries and doubts to our expert related to like pharmacovigilance course, even scope of this like career opportunities and anything related to this. So we are waiting for you to attend the free demo class and get your queries solved, and if you wish to continue, definitely you can enroll for our 3-month certification course in the pharmacovigilance. For more details, call to the given number, visit our website. We are available to help you. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you all the best.